Are you trying to sign into the Google Play Store but don't know where to start? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to sign into Google Play Store, whether you're on a new phone, after factory reset, or just can't log in. First, open the Google Play Store app. Click on the Sign In option. You'll now be asked to enter your Google account email address. If you already have an email account, enter your email and tap Next. Now type your Google account password carefully, then tap on Next again. After signing in, you may see Google's terms and conditions. Tap on I agree. Now simply complete the setup as shown on the screen, and you'll be signed into the Google Play Store. And that's how you sign into the Google Play Store easily. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips and tutorials. If you have any problems, comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.